Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send proposals on Upwork. So first of all, and make sure you are logged into your Upwork account. You can see that this is my Upwork account. If I send a proposal to a job, then first of all, what I have to do is I have to search a job that I want to send a proposal. Like in my case, I want to send a proposal for this job. You can see this. This is the description of this job. So you have to read the description first, what is demanded, and then if you think you can do it, just simply tap on this apply now button. This will bring you up here proposal page. Now first of all, you have to select your profile. If you have specialized profile, then you want to select that how you want to be paid, by project or by milestone, and then you have to select the duration. You can see it's already mentioned above, so select the duration. And then the final step is cover letter. So you have to write a cover letter according to the job you have already read. This is the job, so you have to type a proposal, and then it's demanding your recent work. Just paste the link and then tap on this send. Yes, I understand, continue, and you can see this our proposal has been sent. So that's it for this video. That's how you can send proposals on Upwork. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description, and if you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.